creative garden beds ideas to elevate your outdoor space. Welcome to our channel 90 Ideas. In this video, we are diving into the world of garden beds with a focus on create and innovative ideas to transform your indoor and outdoor space. From traditional raised beds to vertical garden and container garden, these something for every corner. And this inspiration video, get ready to roll up your sleeves and dig into these exciting garden bed ideas. Maximize space and add visually interested to your outdoor area with a vertical garden walls. Bring the beauty of nature to even the smallest of spaces with a container gardening. Railings to window boxes, there are endless possibilities for growing plants in containers. Mix and match different sizes, shapes, and materials to create a diverse and dynamic garden that adds colors and charm to your outdoor space. First of all, if you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon, and this video share to your friends and family members. And there you have it, creative garden bed ideas to inspire your outdoor occasions. Whether you are a novice gardener or a seasoned pro, these innovative ideas offer practical and stylish ways to grow your own food, beauty your space, and connect with nature. So don't forget, like, share, subscribe for more inspiration. Thanks for watching.